What's up, ATC gang? I'm back with the last Halloween video. So I done made it out the hospital, so I figured I'd come home and record the last looks before I take it all down. Enjoy! Ooh, looks good, right? But before I let y'all in, I gotta introduce myself. So what's up? My name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys. That's one of them in the back. I have sickle cell anemia, and I felt it was important to just make content to show you all that if I can get through life, disability and all, you can do it well. So I enjoy posting vlogs, decorate with me's, hauls, and other lifestyle content. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know anytime I post a new upload. All right, y'all, let's get into this tour.
Hello, how are you? It must be Halloween. I bet you came for the candy, but you may leave with a spray.
Alright, y'all, it's been real. You ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get up out of my kitchen. It's dinner time. But don't worry, the next series we're gonna start will be house organization. So stay tuned. Bye.